pack up every blood clotting when you can't pack in that. Get it, stop there, son. Wait, brother. Alex. Use your bag and put, look here, get the other bag and pack your things in the other bag and make Zoe pack for your things in the next bag. A man from a community, you know. A man from my own community a page me, you know, my youth. A man from a community a page me, you know. A man then say me I make money off of TikTok. What they them page my son in here asleep, me they dead on a senti. And the man them lick up me youth. Them put a lick for me pitney. You understand what I say? Now man them come back, lick up the whole like place last night. The whole like current a cut off. Every second the current a cut off. You understand me? And the man them come my back part of the place, round the stuff, lick up the whole like thing. You understand me? And the man them come and page me to blood clot. Right? Me I make whole heap of money off a TikTok. You understand me? So me have to pay me dues. You see it? Right? My pity them life come fucking first. Remember me tell you, I don't give a fuck when none of you want chat, say bro. It's still enough for uno pan this, enough for uno pan this are wicked, you know. Uno evil, you know, youth. All heap of uno pan this evil, you know. Uno evil, you fuck. Popularity, like being popular to me, yo joke, I know joke, I fuck. It come like say, being popular, you have to just hide in a one little place and just avoid people and not make nobody know which part your bumbo clad there. Being popular come like a problem, bro. Queen, me can't take your request. Me I go take up. Me no want me oh brother, me tell you something. Me no want nothing more than me I take up me youth. Then me not wait for nobody. Me not wait for nobody at all. It's when they come up on my pitney and me see my youth life in a danger. I ain't give a fuck. Give a fuck for who? First. You understand what I say? And I mean nobody can take my pitney them life or can take my life because of blood clot TikTok. You hear me I tell you? I mean nobody can end up take my pitney them life because of blood clot TikTok. Know that, yeah. Only pound upon this, bro. Me never want to hear what now to say. Because I watch you the bumble clot, watch me. Only did they watch me on the stream. You see me? And page me and me bumble clot yard youth. Oh, this so fucking wicked. When a blood clot watch me on TikTok. Every little thing me a blood clot do. When I watch me on yes and come on me yard, brother. I'm too no man. Don't lift up alone, me man. Go and go change your clothes. I'm good, baby. Me alright. Look, every machine at work again. Queen Nikki, I was send me a request. Bro, me alright. Me good. Me alright, chat. Guys, the request what you send, me I tell you the truth. Me good. I swear to you upon my life. Me good. Me go through them and suck me too fucking much. Alright, bro. God now give me more than when me can bear. Me not believe in that shit. I believe say Father God have my back. Me not go give up that faith there. Why should I? Why the fuck should I? Yo, what coming on a family in a youth? Cause enough of no pussy where I can style me, you know. I call me no family, you know, man. They say me a blood clot family like that. You to could fuck around me, you know. And me that's some real blood clot, chrome bumbo clot niggas around me, you know, you. You could fuck around me there way there, you know. Cause me that's some real blood clot people. What they know say you will mash off on a bumbo clot head. You could play me that type of way there, bro. But cause me no blood clot body. In a certain way, I don't feel like you can't fuck around me, you. Man, they say me pay me dues in my own blood clot community. I'm my own fucking place. Me pay blood clot dues. Eh? Who go in their own place and pay dues? Eh? If you don't can't think anything on no one think, you can't think a prank, you can't think a rank, you can't think anything on have to say. Anything on have to say. Cause enough I know when you see people come here and talk. Queen, where you say? You have to send back your request. Send back your request and make it go up at the top part. You understand me? Send back your request and send it up at the top part.
Mommy, what?
Bro, I call your brother already. Alright, the man them come back here last night. You see me, man, they must say we have to pay with dues. You understand me? Oh, we have make whole heap of money for TikTok. A three of them come here last night, Mika. A three of them come here last night. You understand me? And did any current keep on a cut off. Way down after. The man them come and start lick up your whole like back part of also party zinc then they. Right?
Yeah.
I tell you, say, come down early this morning. I tell you, say, come down early. You understand what I say? You depend the line, you say, call me. Right? And I say to you, say, come down.
Me not get no call. If something I'm doing, nobody no call me.
I drag and me end up talk to. I've left me and the kids, them I left up here, so now. You understand what I say? I said to you last night, even when you left my girl, but I can't tell you what to do, you know. You understand me? But I said to you last time, you see one night thing, I'm glad they never did it there. I can't even say that to you. I'm glad they never did it here. I talk to your brother already. Your brother say if you come. Your brother say me and the kids them for come, no matter what, me and them for come. So me I go up, they say if you come, you come. Not stay here, so.
Yeah,
No, we not
yeah, man,
stay here, so.